Want to pay with your phone in seconds just by tapping it? No cash, no card, just your Pixel. In this video, I'll show you how to use NFC Tap to pay on your Pixel phone step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check NFC is enabled. Open Settings on your device and tap Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences. Now tap NFC and turn it on. Step 2. Set up Payment App. To use Tap to pay, you need a payment app like Google Wallet. Open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Tap Add Payment Card. Now add your debit or credit card. Follow the verification process. After that, unlock your phone. Hold the back of your phone near the payment terminal. Wait for vibration or confirmation. That's it. Now you can make fast and secure payments using NFC Tap to pay on your Pixel phone. If this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful tech tutorials. Do you have a question? Drop them in the comments below.